Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer 1968 Firebird Restomod. This car is over the top. He's been with our consignor for a very long time. The only reason he's selling is he's moving to the Carolinas. Gorgeous paint. Started out as Go Mango, and House of Colors did it. And it's got a lot of a copper flake in it, the pearl. It almost looks like Corvette orange pearl metallic, which is one of my favorite colors. It's got a 69 wing on the back, 69 hood, you know, with the snouts up front. Rear valance has been a little configured and reconfigured, and it has a flush mounted gas cap. That's the backup camera. 69 Camaro rear bumper. It's got forged wheels on it. Those are 18s. You got a 275 up front, 225 in the front. Wilwood brakes all the way around. Those are cross-drilled and slotted. Beautiful stance on this car. Oof. Ring Brothers door handles, I should say. Got a remote fob too, with a remote trunk. Trunk's completely finished. Beautifully done. A little bit of Alcantara there. Kind of follows the theme of the interior. These Ring Brother door handles are like jewelry. Gorgeous. The car was finished in 2022. Billet vent, billet strikers, TMI interior, all brand new. These are leather and suede. TMI door panels also. I like how the orange stitch follows the theme of the car. Billet door handles on the inside and Alcantara kind of mixed in there, which follows the theme in the trunk, the headliner, the visors, window pillars. Just fantastic. Custom steering wheel. It's got tilt wheel. Again, that orange theme comes through as well. Push button start. Odometer gauges, these are Sport Cop. Got 1,659 miles on this build. I'm gonna show you the tail lights too. High intensity lights up front too. Ice cold air conditioning. It's got a 480 LE transmission. It's an overdrive transmission with a D&M shifter. It also has a shift kit in it. Power windows, power locks, right there. It's got two USB ports. One on this side, one on that side. Stereo rocks. The air conditioning blows ice cold. Just a beautiful build. Lloyd's mats, custom embroidered mats. Love the tail lights. So we got LED lights all the way around in the back. This paint is just killer. Check that out. So it's a consecutive LED tail light, LED runners, LED lights up front as well. There's a Flaming River tilt column, dyno mat all the way around, all new brand new wiring, modern fuses. Man, what a pretty car. It's got an LS1 up front. Under the hood, it's out of a 98 Camaro. It's And these are 225 40ZR 18s. And then in the back, obviously Nitto tires, nice and sticky. And these are 275 40ZR 18s. So fully billet wheel, very special. Mirrors have also been color coded to the car. H4 is up front. LEDs, front spoiler. And here's where the magic is. Got an LS1 up front. It's all stock, no modification, stock cam, etc. Power steering, power brakes. Custom headers. Also tubular A-arms by Hotchkiss. Got a 12-bolt rear, Moser axles too. Mini starter that's wrapped, keep it cool. Finished Firewall. Beautiful boat. No expense spared on this car. Everything you need, nothing you don't. It's got an independent suspension up front, obviously. 2.5-inch exhaust. Sounds really nice. Big 12-bolt rear, Moser axles, new gas tank, new. Love the turn downs too. This car is bad to the bone, man. The exhaust is stainless too. He had cutouts on this, but you know, one kept sticking and stuff. So that's just been blocked off. You could always add that too. Frame connector by Hotchkiss too. Updated pedal assembly is probably low car. Yeah, Hotchkiss up front. Big sway bar. Just fantastic. These hood hinges are billet too. These are very expensive. They work beautiful too. Those are by volume line. And what a gorgeous car. It's got a killer sound system in it too. It's got rounds up front in the kick panels. Fully Bluetooth. JL audio. 6x9s in the back. Got a full build book here. You can see all the photos. The process of the build. Beautiful. You kind of see the dyno mat sticking out under there. If you're looking for a brand new Firebird, well, you just found it. Absolutely beautiful build. This car is new. Can't imagine how much he's got invested in this car. All new glass too. It's tempered safety glass. And on and on and on. Why build it when it's done? Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Check out about 250 photos I took today. Weebyautos.com.